In today's video, I'll teach you how to cancel Grab credit card. First of all, what you have to do is launch open Grab application. Make sure you're logged into your account. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. So if you want to cancel a Grab linked credit card, it is actually very simple. For that, what you have to do is look at bottom. You'll be able to find various options over here. Tap on the option payment that you can see at third. Now once you do that, you'll be led to the payment interface. At top right corner of your screen, you'll be able to find the gear icon. What you have to do is tap on it. Now once you do that, you'll be led to the finance settings interface. You'll be able to find two options, payment security. Under the section for payments, you'll be able to find the option for all payment methods. Tap on it. Now you'll be able to manage your payment methods. In this interface, you'll be able to see all the payment methods over here. Right now I haven't added any payment method, but what you have to do is choose the specific credit card you want to remove. After you do that, what you have to do is tap on the option delete. Likewise, again tap on the option unlink. Now what you have to do is confirm the deletion by tapping on the yes option. After you do that, your Grab credit card will be cancelled. So that is how you cancel Grab credit card. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.